皆さんこんにちは、みほこです。Hello everyone, it's みほこ。今日は英語と日本語の会話スタイルの違いについて簡単にお話ししようと思います。Today, I'm gonna simply talk about the differences between conversation style in English and Japanese. Don't get me wrong.I don't think either one is better than the other. I think they are different because of their cultural background or something. Please subscribe to this channel for more lesson videos. 英語と日本語、会話スタイルの違い。The differences between the conversation style in English and Japanese. Okay, so I've realized that the conversation styles between the two languages are much different. And if you ignore it will be a little unnatural sometimes. なので、今からお話しする内容は日本語を話すときのコツのようなものです。So the things I'm gonna tell you today is kind of tips when you talk in Japanese. それと、こちらは文法についてというわけではありません。And this isn't really about grammar. When we have a conversation in Japanese, one person talks in a short sentence, and then another person speaks a little about the topic and continues the pattern.Like one person talk a little and then another person talk a little, then kind of taking turn. 例外もありますが、主にこんな感じです。There will be some exceptions, but usually like that. We call this Japanese style of conversation as 会話のキャッチボール which means conversational play catch, like play catch. In my opinion, when we have a conversation in English, one person talks a long story and then the other person wants to mention something, they take a breath in and then start talking at their turn. I said take a breath in because when we speak in English, inhaling big seems like a sign for I'm gonna talk something. Let me talk. 日本語の会話スタイルの話に戻りますが、Back to the Japanese style conversation. We use a lot of supporting response words with nodding our heads like this, while the other person is talking. So we kind of, like in Japanese conversation, we nod our head a lot while listening. 英語で会話をするときはそこまで頻繁にうなずかないと思います。I think we don't nod our heads as often while we are having a conversation in English. 英語を話しているときに ずっとうなずいてたら少し不自然かと思います。If we do it while speaking with someone in English, that would be a little unnatural. Like if we are always like nodding like this all the time when we are speaking English. ところで、相槌言葉については次回の動画でいくつかご紹介したいと思います。By the way, I will introduce you to some Japanese supportive response words in the next video. 文化の違いについて知っておくことは、会話を円滑に進める上でも重要です。Knowing the cultural differences is important to have a smoother conversation. どうか心に留めておいてくださいね。So, please keep it in mind. So, there were 3 tips in this video. Number 1. 一人ずつ短く話す。One person talks shortly, then another person talks another short story as response. Number 2. 会話はキャッチボール。Japanese conversation is a play catch of words. Number 3. 聞き手はこまめに相槌を打つ。The listener would nod their head pretty often. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something new about Japanese culture or the language today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button for me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will keep uploading something good for you to learn about Japanese language every week. See you in the next video. Bye! またねー。